안녕하세요. Today I'm gonna show you my first purchase during the lockdown. My Gentle Monster sunglasses, which I ordered from Farfetch. Okay, that's Farfetch. You can buy this. The nearest outlet you can buy Gentle Monster here in the Middle East is from the store in Dubai. However, the price is more expensive. The shipping fee is more expensive than when you get it from Farfetch. So that's why I bought this from here. Farfetch is an app where you can order stuff. Okay, let's open it. I'm so excited. I wanted to open this earlier, but my sister told me to do an unboxing video. Kasi sayang yung box. Okay. So it got here after, like, I ordered it in June 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So today is June 12. So after 6 days. There you go. There's the box. Ooh. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is a booklet of Farfetch. The Gentle Monster. Okay. Let us see. What's inside? The certification, certified by Zeiss, original Zeiss lenses. Ta-da! So this is our box, Gentle Monster box, and inside is the, you can see the, what is this? Okay, then we have the maybe it's a manual or something. Authenticity certification card. Okay, it's a card. Then some instructions probably, and the one that you use to wipe the this is the right here. Let me see the name, Gentle Monster, and it's like a pouch. So this is the case of the sunglasses itself. It's like a pouch. Open. Dito na. So ito na mismo. This is the case itself that you can use when you use it, when you put it in your bag, like that. Okay, let's see. So this is her O1 model, which was used by Yoon Seri in the scene in Crash Landing on You, when she came back to her office, when she came back from North Korea, back to South Korea, when she came back to her office. Let's open. Why so small? Hello. So dark. OMG! This is it. And you can see from here. How do you see that? How you show? Kaliwali. But that's it. That's the Gentle Monster. Eyeglasses from CLOY.